Gangavati Bhagyamma Rural Degree College, Huvinadagali. Paper 7th, topic The Norman Conquest 1066. Myself, Mavsaf Karangi, guest lecturer, Huvinadagali. Important points regarding Norman Conquest. What is Norman Conquest? The origin of Normandy, the important year of 1066, the use of French by upper classes, how the circumstances promoting the continuous use of French, the attitude towards the English, French literature at the English court, fusion of two peoples and diffusion of French and English, knowledge of English among the upper classes, knowledge of English among the middle classes. Here, what is the Norman conquest and its impact on the history of the English language, as we know. Here, the Norman conquest is the most important phenomena in the history of England, as it has affected not only the political and social aspects, but also the most important aspect of human being, especially the language. A language is a greatest legacy that we have inherited and we can express our feelings in a well developed systematic vocal expression. This enables human beings to contribute to the world for its all round development. The English language had a profound impact from the neighboring European languages and one of the milestones that took place in the history of the English language. His the Norman conquest in the year 1066. This conquest allowed enormous number of French words to creep into English language and it's changed the fate of English language and drastically. The causes of far-reaching consequence on the language and its developments. Normandy was the district situated in the northern coast of France. The people who settled in this part were named as Normans. The people of same tribe also settled in the northern and eastern part of the England. In the 9th and 10th centuries, Rollo, the leader of Danes in the Normandy, acknowledged the French king as an overlord and became the first Duke of Normans. In the following century, a half of succession of the masterful dukes raises the kingdom to a position of a great influence, overshadowing at times the power of King of France. The Norman, being more flexible in the nature, could observe the French ethos and developments of its civilization and also the basic elements of its civilization. As a result of all this, the Scandinavian language began to disappear in the Norman capital. In the 11th century, at the time of Norman conquest, the civilization of Normandy was exceptionally. The French and Normans were among the most advanced and progressive people of Europe. During this time, ushered the unready, the English royal married a Norman woman and sought a refuge to after being exiled by the Danes, the ruler in England. His son Edward became more French than English as he was brought up in France. When he Danish rule ended in 1042, Edward was restored to his father's throne. Eventually, he brought with his many friends from the France and rewarded with them coveted places in the government. His court was changed with the French atmosphere during his reign. When Edward the Confessors died childless, Herod was elected King of England. He was the eldest son of the Godwin in the Earl of West Saxon earldom. It was Edward who had divided England into different large districts. Each of them was in Earl. The Godwin was very powerful and did not allow any kith of late king of succeed to the throne. Eventually, the William Duke of Normandy, the cousin of the king, who kept aloof by Godwin, William, a man of exceptional ability, courage, did not keep the quiet, and he was waiting for opportunity and meanwhile prepared the ground attack. Harold, here the Battle of Fulford and Battle of Shamford Bridge, he faced the rebellious barons, mighty neighbors, and a French king. Thank you.